Hello everyone, welcome you all. In our today's session, we are going to learn advanced passing skills. Before that, we quickly go with the warm up. The first one is sideways, which we have already learned. Both the knees bent, move to the side, keep your upper body straight, be on your active toes. We'll now do trunk rotation in a clockwise direction, keeping both the legs straight. Rotate your trunk around. Now in an anti-clockwise direction. As I have told you in the last class, we can use the ball for the warm-up, which helps us to recollect the technique and also helps us to increase our heartbeat. Here I am using dribbling using our lace part, which we had learnt in our previous classes for the warm-up drill, where I am moving with the ball using my lace part, where I am recollecting the technique of dribbling. At the same time, my heartbeat increases when I move from one end to another end. In the next drill, I am using drag and out foot touch for the warm-up drill. Here I need to drag the ball using my sole part and change the direction of the ball using out foot with the same leg, forming a V shape on the ground. I am including stretching in the warm-up. The first stretch is calf muscle stretch, where I need to balance my body using both of my palms, both of the toes facing downwards, keeping my arms straight and keeping my legs straight. One of the leg has to be balanced on the other leg and feel the stretch on the calf muscle as shown in the video. Hold in the same posture for around 20 seconds to feel the proper stretch. We'll now get into the main part, that is skill practice, where we are practicing passing. The first drill is 180-degree passing, where I need to pass using my in foot by putting a proper weight on the ball. Once I get the rebound, I have to turn with the ball to the other side, opposite to the direction where I got the ball, and pass to the other side. We have to repeat the action. In the previous class, I have taught you how to do a basic pass. Now this will be the progression for the passing drill. Turning with the ball, stopping the ball should be at the same time. At the first touch itself, the ball should be towards the direction where you need to pass. So I have wall on my both the opposite sides. So if I receive the ball from the front wall, I'll pass to the back wall and the action repeats. You can also put a challenge for yourself for 20 seconds and try to do as many passes you can. This skill will help you to change the sides if you are playing as a midfielder. We are going to the next skill, that is drag and pass. Place the ball step front, drag the ball towards you and take a touch for yourself to drag the ball again, and the action repeats. You can bend your non-kicking foot while dragging the ball. Use your inner part of the foot when you are taking a touch. Keep the ball under control by putting proper weight on the ball while taking a touch in front. We'll now take it as a challenge for 20 seconds and try to do more number of touches with the ball. Whenever we are learning any new skill, I suggest you all to learn or practice using both the feet. We'll now practice with our left leg. I'm gonna teach you the next skill, that is triangle passing. In this drill, I need a marker. I'm using a water bottle as a marker in this drill. When you are practicing using your right leg, stand to the right side of the bottle and pass diagonally to the wall. As the pass was diagonal, the rebound will be diagonal again to your left side. Take a touch using your left leg and bring it back to the same position from where you passed, and repeat the action. In this drill, we are working on the first touch, taking to the side. At the same time, we are working on the diagonal pass. We'll now change the leg. We'll pass with using our left leg, take a touch using our right leg, and practice it for a while. Make sure you are not touching the marker whenever you are passing or getting a rebound. This skill will help you to pass diagonally in the game. You can practice and put a challenge for yourself and try to do it faster. Now I am trying to pass using my left foot and taking a first touch using my right foot as faster as I can. We are at the fourth skill, that is L-shape passing, where I am receiving the ball from front and passing to my right side. I am using the water bottle as a marker. I need to receive at the back of the bottle, and for the next time when ball comes from my right side, I must be ready to pass it to my left side. So one pass to my right and the next pass to my left. forming a L shape on the ground. You can stand straight and push the ball to the side without turning. At the same time, you can twist your body towards the direction where you need to pass, as I'm showing both the techniques in the video. In our previous classes, I've even taught you cool down stretching. You can do any 4 cool down stretches before ending the class. We have learned 4 skills today. The first one was 180-degree pass, where we pass front, turned and passed to the other side. The second drill was a drag and pass, where we dragged the ball and took a touch in front using a single leg. The third drill was triangle pass, where we passed diagonally and took a touch to the side. Again, from the same position, we were passing diagonally. So the fourth drill was L-shape passing. So we passed front, the rebound ball we were passing to the side. So this was the fourth skill. So we have learned four skills. The passing drills which we practiced today were some of the advanced basic passing drills. So I hope you have learned some of the drills to practice the same thing at home with safety. Thank you.